गाइस, आई एम नीतू निगम एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल माय पाठशाला बाय नीतू निगम। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है साइंस ओलंपियाड से क्लास थर्ड के लिए लाइट, साउंड एंड फोर्स। ये चैप्टर 10 है और लेवल 1 के लिए ये मैंने वर्कशीट तैयार की है। तो चलिए आपके साथ शेयर करती हूँ। इस पे क्वेश्चंस के साथ आंसर को भी मैंने अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, रोहन वांट टू टॉय कार टू बी इन मोशन, ही विल अप्लाई मैटर, बी स्पीड, सी फोर्स, डी मास। करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, force. A force is a push or a pull. Objects at rest need a force applied to them to start moving. Question number 2. Which among the following is a non-luminous object? A. Sun, B. Burning candle, C. Moon, D. Night bulb. Correct answer है ऑप्शन सी, moon. A moon is a non-luminous object because it does not produce its own light. It is visible because it reflects light from the sun. The sun is a burning candle and a light bulb are all luminous objects as they are primary sources of light. Next question number 3. The force change the moon to an object. B. Speed of an object, C. Shape of an object या D. All of these. Correct answer है option D. All of these. Force can make things move, go faster, go slower, change direction and even sequence, or stretch object to change their shape. Question number 4. A boy hits a ball. The ball rolls for some time and soon it stops. The ball stops due to force, friction, moon या inertia. Correct answer is option B, friction. Friction is a force that opposes motion. When the ball rolls on the ground, friction pushes against it, causing it to slow down and stop. Question number 5. Source of light. Which among the following is main sources of light on Earth? Moon, B. Electric lamp, C. Firefly या D. Sun. Correct answer है option D. Sun. The sun is a natural luminous object that is the primary source of light and energy for our planet. Next question number 5. Types of force. 5 क्वेश्चन तक कंप्लीट हो चुका था। इसमें हम देखेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. द पिक्चर शो an apple falling from the tree. Which force is shown here? A. Frictional force, B. Gravitational force, C. Magnetic force या D. Muscular force. Correct answer is option B. Gravitational force. Gravity is invisible force that pulls everything forwards the center of the earth. It acts on the apple, causing it to fall downwards. Next question number 7. Push vs pull. Which among the pulling activities show a pull action? Closing a drawer, B. Taking out a carrot, C. Typing and keyboard, या D. Pressing a button. Correct answer is option B. Taking out a carrot. To remove a carrot, you must pull it towards you. Pushing generally moves things away from you. Next question number 8. A dash is a dark outline of an opaque object that blocks light coming from a source. A image, B screen, C शैडो या डी लाइट। करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, शैडो। A shadow forms when an opaque object blocks the path of light, creating a dark area behind it. Next question number 9. Amit was speaking, but Harish could not hear him. Through which medium does sound not reach Harish? Solid, B. Liquid, C. Gas, D. Vacuum. करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन डी, वैक्यूम। साउंड नीड्स a medium like air to travel. A vacuum has no particle to carry sound waves, so sound cannot travel through it. Question number 10. The sound that occurs on burning of firecracker is soft and unpleasant, B. hard and pleasant, C. Loud and unpleasant, या D. Loud and soft. Correct answer is option D. Loud and unpleasant. Firecrackers create a sudden booming noise. Sound that are very loud and disturbing are often considered unpleasant. Question number 11, Achiever section. Girl A is pulling more effort to pull the sack than girl B. Girl A has to work more against which force? A. Magnetic force, B. Gravitational force, C. Frictional force, या D. Electrostatic force. Correct answer है frictional force. Frictional is a force that resists motion. A rougher surface creates more than friction, making it harder to pull objects across it. Next, question number 12. We know friction makes it hard to pull heavy things. What is another important as friction? Change their direction to moving object. B. Cause all objects to fall to the ground. C. Prevent us from slipping when we walk. And D. Marks a stationary object to move. Correct answer is option C. Prevents slippery. Explanation: friction objects between the rows, the sole of our shoes, and the ground, giving us the grip we need to push off and walk without sliding. Next question number 12. Fill in the blanks. Dash is the resistance of motion when one object rubs against another. It works against the motion and acts in the dash direction. Friction and opposite. Gravitational, same. Friction, same. या gravitational, opposite. Correct answer is option A. Frictional, opposite. Frictional always try to stop movement. If you slide a block forward, friction push forward, opposite. Question number 13. Identify the P, Q and R. Force P applied by human action. Force Q applied by a magnet. And force R stop moving things. Options है A. Magnetic, frictional and muscular. B. Muscular, frictional, magnetic. C. Frictional, magnet या muscular. या D. Muscular, magnetic, frictional. Correct answer है option D. Muscular, magnetic and frictional. P. Muscular. We use muscular for action. Q. Magnetic. Magnetic attract magnetic force. And R. Frictional. Frictional stop moving objects. Next question number 14. In winter, you rub your hands together to generate heat. How does this happen? A. Movement joint heat from air. Yeah, B. Friction against movement of hand generate heats. Correct answer is option B. Friction generates heat. Explain. When two forces, your hands, rub against each other, the friction between them turns movement energy into the heat energy. Next question number 15. Aarti is putting less effort to pull the stick compared to Sneha. Sneha has to work more against a force which also A. Prevent us from sleeping while walking. B. Changes the direction of an object. C. Can move a stationary object. D. Can make an object fall on the ground. Correct answer is option A. Prevent sleeping. The force making it hard to pull the stake is friction. Friction oppose motion, but it is also the force that give our shoes grip on the ground, preventing us from slipping. तो आज के लिए इतना ही। आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आया। इसी प्रकार के एजुकेशनल वीडियो के लिए आप हमारे साथ बने रहे। इससे पहले मैंने 9 चैप्टर तक के एमसीक्यू आपके साथ शेयर किया है। नेक्स्ट वीडियो के लिए हमारे साथ बने रहें। नेक्स्ट कुछ चैप्टर्स और है क्लास 3rd ओलंपियाड साइंस के लिए। और प्लीज हमारे चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड हाइप कीजिए। थैंक यू।